Hello everyone, this is Bernice here at the Napping Mouse, and today I wanted to show you this quick and easy book that we are going to create today. It is, super easy, and all you really need is pen or pencil and 8.5 by 11 copy paper. It could be used as a brag book for the kids. They can, make this less than 5 minutes with adult help, of course. And they can write anything that they want, little secrets, little notes, anything. Or you can actually use it for yourself. I've used it in the past as like a shopping list or little daily things to do that I need to just jot down really quickly. So yeah, lots of ways to use this, but let's get started here. All right, leave this over here at the side. Okay, so like I said, 8.5 by 11 copy paper, a pen or pencil. So what you're going to do at the 8.5 inch side over here, you're going to take it and fold it up and make sure your edges are matched. And go ahead and fold it and crease it, and then go ahead and open it back up and then turn it to the 11 inch side over here and then fold it upward, again matching the edges and also the score line that you just created. All right, and go ahead and crease it. And it's easier for me to do it on this side, but what we're going to do is actually fold it back in half. Excuse me, this is the 4 1/4 inch side by 11. So go ahead and fold it upward and then fold it upward again. So you're going to fold it upward 2 times. And it'll be a little bit bulky at this point with all the folds, but that is okay. And then crease the edges over here. All right, now we're going to open it back up all the way, and at the 8.5 inch side being at the top, we're going to fold it down. And then here, you're going to see that the score line from here to here, what we're going to do there is tear it. And let me jot this down so you know exactly where to stop. But if needed, go ahead and open it up. I like to crease it so I can get that crisp tear, and hold it down and then tear it all the way to this score line that you just created over here. Once you've done that, open it all the way, and then you're going to fold it again from the 11 inch side, fold it in half, and then take the left and the right side, bring it inward like this, and it naturally creates that book. And there you go, and just kind of play with it, crease it if you need to. And yes, there you have it. Quick, simple, and easy, fun to do, and multi functional. Okay, thank you so much for watching. You guys have a great day. Bye.